Welcome to the Short Book Summaries channel. If you are new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing this channel to stay updated on each new book coming to this world. In case you like and want to buy this book, the link is given in the description below. Now enjoy the summary. The best-selling phenomenon from Japan that shows us a minimalist life is a happy life. Fumio Sasaki is not an enlightened minimalism expert or organizing guru like Marie Kondo. He's just a regular guy who was stressed out and constantly comparing himself to others, until one day he decided to change his life by saying goodbye to everything he didn't absolutely need. The effects were remarkable. Sasaki gained true freedom, new focus, and a real sense of gratitude for everything around him. In Goodbye, Things, Sasaki modestly shares his personal minimalist experience, offering specific tips on the minimizing process and revealing how the new minimalist movement can not only transform your space but truly enrich your life. The benefits of a minimalist life can be realized by anyone, and Sasaki's humble vision of true happiness will open your eyes to minimalism's potential. Such a good book. This is not just about minimizing. It's about changing your whole mind frame about your stuff and stuff in general. You can also replace the word stuff for the word life in that last sentence. Since this is a book about minimalism, I don't want to be too wordy. I just want to say that I agree with Sasaki-san that we should throw out all the superfluous stuff, and it's all superfluous stuff. 5 stars. This book is what I have been searching for when it comes to minimalism. This book is just not about the tips and tricks 9J how to be minimalistic, but on what it is and how it should be. Yes. There are actually many tips in summarized form as well as in details. The language is simple. The pictures and the references really solid. I love how the book featured some of the best minimalist bloggers.